Okay, so I just filmed 2 videos that you're gonna see in whenever I want to upload them, but I'm just gonna vlog today. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm just gonna vlog today because I want to, and I have to stop looking at myself in the monitor. But my makeup looks so good. I can't stop. Oh my god. Anyway, so I just wanted to quickly show you guys, even though half of you guys don't care. Like, I know you don't care. But I want to show you guys my updated little K-pop area because, like, my desk changed. So I'm just gonna show you, like, really briefly, like, what my desk looks like now. So, like, I moved, my computer was to the side. I moved it to the middle. I moved it back to the side. So I kind of put these albums there, and then this used to be over there, but I just scooted everything over and moved that there because I kind of wanted to make this little, like, sorry, it's a little like pink area. So like we have like albums down there, you know, photo books, you know, Girls' Generation period, you know, my pink magazines I moved from over there just so I could like make that look cleaner. And then I added my little Kirby cups there. I still have my photo card holder, and I have all my like actual body care stuff here, my mirror here. Hey y'all, whatever. So here is now where my K-pop collection is. Now, I don't know why this gives me American Girl vibes. I literally don't know why. It just reminds me of like the girls who would film. Does anyone remember this? They were like in their 20s. This is like 10 years ago, and they would like have a little corner of their room where they would film American Girl doll videos. This is what this reminds me of because this is so like shoved in the corner. I don't know, that was so random. But like, so I have my creeper fridge there, and then I just have albums on top of that, and then I just have like junk in that little Build-A-Bear box, and then I have all of my K-pop albums here. I really honestly I don't know where I'm gonna put more of them. Oh my god, oh! Because I do have more coming in the mail, and frick. I have to own up to like my sins. I really do. Like, so I did say in a past video that I was not going to be buying any more K-pop photo books. That failed. That completely failed because I have never bought so many K-pop photo books in 1 week. Stop. I've never bought so many K-pop photo books in 1 week. So I just pre-ordered Yoongi's album from Target because I had a $5 Target gift card. I love my girls from G-Idol, and I wasn't going to buy it, but I saw the concept trailer and it had a little like evil bunny that was gonna kill people, so I thought, hey, that's fun, so I'll buy it. I pre-ordered the Illit or Islet, I don't know, pre-ordered the Super Real Me album, mini album, EP from Target as well, because let's be honest, their music's really good, like slaying. Slay Won-hee. So that's two. I just got a Red Velvet one in the mail yesterday, the Rookie mini album, so that one came. I also bought, shoot, I'm missing something. Oh, I pre-ordered the IVE album, the Love Dive, or I think it was the Love Dive version. It was like the pink version I pre-ordered, and I was really trying to stick to not buying photo books, and I was just gonna get the jewel case for the IVE album, but like they kind of scam you because they don't give you any pre-order benefits when you get the jewel case. Like, you don't get any photo cards or anything. So like if I pre-ordered the photo book, I would get like I'm getting 2 extra photo cards, but if you picked a different version of the album, you could get 3 photo cards for pre-ordering it. But if you got the jewel case, you'd get none. So I said, no, I'm pre-ordering the photo book because I love IVE, clearly. So I flopped on that, but then I also pre-ordered the Kiss of Life My Day Is Touch album. I guess I don't know why half these albums are out already, so it's weird that it's like a pre-order, but I pre-ordered this because, well, number one, I like supporting new groups, because like we gotta support girlies that are not from big 4 companies, like started from the bottom, now we here, you know? So I bought their first 2 albums, so it just makes sense to buy like another one to have the full collection, so that in like, you know, in 10 years when they're like peak popularity, you know, you can be like, I was there from the beginning, you know,
you can flex on people. But I pre-ordered it. I wasn't going to get it initially because it is just a single album, but what really made me buy it is they were selling the signed version, and I was like, oh, I'm buying it because it's signed. It's signed, and it was not expensive. It was the same price as like the regular version. I think maybe like $2 more for it being signed. But I'm like, that is so fun. Of course I'm buying it signed. And also the songs on that are so good. So yes, I bought that. I also like just ordered, oh my god, I ordered more K-pop bundles. So I ordered like the Russian Roulette by Red Velvet. I ordered Red Festival Day 2, Red Velvet, the first album, and the first EP. And I think I ordered the Blackpink mini album. And these are all from Mercari. Like the only ones that like I pre-ordered from like the official website were like the IVE album, Yuki, Kiss of Life. Why did I almost say Kiss of Touch? Kiss of Life, Illit, yes. So those are the 4 that like were official. The rest were like from Mercari. But I'm also worried because my girlies from New Jeans are also coming out with albums. So that means I'm gonna have to buy those, which is in like a month. And also apparently Red Velvet's gonna have a comeback, so I'm gonna have to buy that. And then like, oh, this is in a while, but Neon's gonna have a comeback this year too, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to buy that. So I'm honestly getting very overwhelmed by the amount of K-pop releases lately, and I'm like, oh my god, all my money is going away. Stop it. But I can't stop. Like, it's so fun collecting. Like, I go through phases of collecting and I just can't stop. Manga, DS games, K-pop album, plushies. What's next? What's next? I don't know. I just have an addictive personality. It's so bad. But I'll also just show you really quickly. I also got stuff from AliExpress that I ordered a while ago. So right here, I got this little like CD holder for my G Idol album. I figured that I would display that one because I have 3 CDs. So like might as well display one of them because I have so many of them. So yeah, and I just moved a lot of my other One Piece figures from here all the way up to the tippy top just so I could put all my crap on my bookshelf because I have so much stuff. But yeah, so I think right now it's to 9:18 in the morning. I am just going to put away my clothes and like I guess I'll make my bed. I guess. I usually don't film myself like actually cleaning. I don't know. I like content and I want you guys to have content, but I have nothing else to do besides clean. Gotta get my pillow. I have so much stuff, it's insane. I don't know how I've accumulated so much, but like I also do because I buy a lot, so it actually completely makes sense. I'll just move you closer. I'll move you closer. So just gonna do my little setup. I have a specific way of cleaning, is the specific way that I only do because we need a routine. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just set up the Sanrio kind of like here. So all my Sanrio plushies go like right here on the top of my bed because they're cute. If I could find all of them. Do you see how much I'm yawning? Do you see how much I'm yawning? Also, this is so, is this like, no, I'm just gonna say it. See this little spot? We're manifesting right now. We are manifesting that little hole on my wall. I have been trying to figure out what to put there for months. And you know what? I'm manifesting that is going to be my YouTube play button. I am manifesting that because it's been literally almost like a year since I moved back home and I have not found one thing to put there. Coincidence? It's not a coincidence. That is going to be my YouTube play button, period. Manifesting, manifesting, manifesting. But also I'm not trying to be cocky. Like, you know, if it's not gonna work out, like it doesn't need to be there, but you know, it'd be fun. I'm sorry. I'm annoying. Oh my god, I forgot how much Sanrio stuff I have now. Damn. When you get too many plushies and like you're starting to like wonder where to put them, I think, frick, it's not good. This is not good. This has to go here. It's not. Maybe I could. I don't know. Where's my creeper? Creeper can go here. Isabel can go here. LSP will go here. My B can go there. Appa can go there. Well, I kind of hate that, but blanket. I don't know how I feel about this. It's kind of the worst setup ever, but you know. Oh my god. Okay, it looks bigger than it is because I flopped in setting it up. I just want to say that. It looks like more than it is because I did mess up in setting it up. So. I need to sit down for this. Can someone let me know why I have the worst luck ever? Like, I genuinely want to know why my luck is so bad, because this isn't just about this situation, but I have bad luck in general. I got a package from Mercari, and I ordered it yesterday, but at like 4 in the morning, okay? 4 in the morning. This is the (G)I-DLE I Trust album. The type of album I got is irrelevant to the story. I just thought I'd tell you because this album is out of print, and it is very rare. So like, it's not common on Mercari. There were 2 listings for it I saw recently. Both immediately sold out. There's another 2 listings on there for it, but they're like over $100. Like, I'm not paying that because they're like signed and stuff, but like I don't want to pay that much. So again, at 4 in the morning the other day, I saw someone posted it for like $15. I'm like, buy immediately, because I never see this album. So I bought it. They said they shipped it that day, and it said it was like coming today. I'm like, wow, that was so quick. Like, I'm so excited. So I get the notification that it's been delivered, so I run downstairs, and to my shock, there's no package. And I'm like, maybe my neighbors got it. Maybe before, for some reason, my package got delivered to a retirement home. I'm like, maybe it's there. But I'm like, okay, let me just check UPS tracking. Like, literally, it says it was delivered back to the sender because they sent it from Virginia, and it got delivered back to Virginia where they sent it from. And I'm like, wait a dang minute. I hope I'm not about to get scammed, because 1, this person has good reviews, and 2, people were saying this is a common scam where they purposely enter the wrong, and this could totally just be like a mistake. Like, I'm not saying they did this on purpose, but it's so possible that they entered the wrong address on purpose or didn't pay enough for postage on purpose so that it would get sent back to them. And then after a couple days, Mercari, they automatically rate the seller. So basically what would happen is they would get my money, I wouldn't get the package, and they would get a good review.
I'm like, I swear to freaking God.
If that happens, I'm gonna be so pissed, because it's not about the $15. It's not about the $15. It's the fact that I don't have the (G)I-DLE I Trust album still. What the frick? And this stuff I feel like would happen to me. And I'm like, no, like, and I'm trying to contact Mercari because I'm trying to like cover my bases so that I can tell them like in advance, like, hey, I never got this. Here's the tracking saying I never got this. Just a heads up in case this person tries to tell you I got it, like I want my money back. And they responded with an automated bot being like, did you check if your neighbors have it? I'm like, bitch, I know my neighbors don't have it. My neighbors don't live in Virginia. Like, what? Come on. So, kind of mad about that. I'm also like really tired, if you could tell. I just showered. I'm like, I want to go to Target, but I also don't. I don't know. I'm like, I have like $30. I'm like, how can I spend that? But also, if I'm going to the movies on Friday, then I could use the money I found in my car to go to the movies. So I'm like, but at the same time, I'd probably pre-buy my movie tickets. So I have to think about that. I have to look what Target has in stock to decide if I want to go, and then we'll see. But yeah, I'll update you if I have updates. Unfortunately.